Hey everyone! Welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada, the entertainment capital of the world. Where the lights are brighter, the stakes are higher, and the fun never stops. Today, try to stay away from slot machines and put on your walking shoes instead. We're taking you on an epic tour of this dazzling city. First stop, the Mirage Volcano. This iconic attraction has been lighting up the Vegas night sky since 1989, and it's still as hot as ever. Now, here's a fun fact. The Mirage Volcano was designed by the same team behind the Bellagio fountains and the Fremont Street experience. It's like a lava lamp on steroids, but way cooler, or should I say hotter. Every evening, this fiery spectacle erupts with a dazzling display of fire, water, and music. The show features choreographed fireballs that shoot up to 12 feet in the air, accompanied by a heart-pounding soundtrack composed by the legendary Grateful Dead drummer Mickey Hart. So take a front row seat and get ready for the show. The Mirage Volcano uses real fire and pyrotechnics to create a breathtaking display that's sure to leave you in awe. Eruptions are powered by a state-of-the-art computer system that ensures each show is perfectly timed and synchronized. It's like a symphony of fire and water. And the volcano's lava is created using a combination of natural gas and water, giving it that mesmerizing glow. After experiencing the explosive magic of the Mirage Volcano, it's time to rub shoulders with some of the biggest stars, literally. Head over to Madame Tussauds Las Vegas and get ready to snap some selfies with celebrities. Madame Tussauds is right across the Mirage Volcano, so you simply have to cross Lost Boulevard to get there. This world-famous wax museum is home to incredibly lifelike wax figures of celebrities, historical figures, and pop culture icons. Fun fact: Madame Tussauds was founded over 200 years ago by Marie Tussaud, a talented wax sculptor. Check out the lifelike wax figures of celebrities as well as sports and music icons. The detail is so incredible. You might just do a double take. And here's a cool tidbit. Each wax figure takes about 6 months to create and involves a team of artists and sculptors. It's like a red carpet event, but without the velvet ropes. You can also meet historical influencers. There's a wax figure of Abraham Lincoln, looking as presidential as ever. And here's a fun trivia. Madame Tussauds artists use real human hair for the wax figures, and each strand is inserted individually. Talk about dedication to detail. The Marvel Superheroes 4D experience lets you team up with your favorite superheroes, including Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Captain America. It's like stepping into a comic book. The 4D experience includes special effects like wind, water, and even scent to make the adventure even more immersive. After rubbing shoulders with the stars at Madame Tussauds Las Vegas, now it's time to reach new heights, literally. If you want to see Vegas from a whole new perspective, head over to the High Roller, the world's second tallest observation wheel. To get there, head south along Las Vegas Boulevard, then take a right onto the LNQ Promenade. You will see the big Ferris wheel in the background as you walk through the promenade, so it shouldn't be hard to miss. Standing at a jaw-dropping 550 feet, this observation wheel offers breathtaking views of the Las Vegas Strip and beyond. The cabins of the High Roller are spacious and fully enclosed, so you can enjoy the ride in comfort, rain or shine. Each cabin can hold up to 40 people and comes equipped with air conditioning, seating, and even music. It's like your own private party in the sky. As you ascend, you'll get a stunning 360-degree panorama of Las Vegas. From the glittering lights of the Strip to the distant mountains, it's a sight you won't want to miss. And did you know? A full rotation takes about 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to take in the sights and snap some epic photos. So enjoy the ride and capture the moment. Check out the Bellagio fountains, the Eiffel Tower at Paris, Las Vegas, and the towering Stratosphere, all visible from up here. It's like having a front row seat to the best show in town. The High Roller lights up with over 2,000 LED lights at night, creating a dazzling display that can be seen from miles away. You've just soared above the city on the High Roller, but now it's time to dive into the heart of the action. Get back to Las Vegas Strip and check out what Sin City has to offer. To get there, head back to LNQ Promenade and continue walking south on Las Vegas Boulevard. This iconic stretch of road is home to some of the world's most famous hotels, casinos, and attractions. From the dazzling lights to the bustling crowds, it's the ultimate playground for fun and excitement. On your right, you'll see Caesar's Palace, one of Las Vegas' renowned landmarks. It's home to the Colosseum, a 4,000-seater theater that has hosted the world's best entertainers over the years. On your left is the Flamingo Casino Hotel, with its quintessentially Las Vegas neon signage. Further down Las Vegas Boulevard is the Bellagio Fountains. Just cross Flamingo Road to get there. This mesmerizing water show features over 1,200 water jets that dance to music, creating a breathtaking display of water and light. Now here's a fun fact. The Bellagio fountains can shoot water up to 460 feet in the air. That's taller than a 40-story building. So find a good spot and get ready for the show. Every 30 minutes in the afternoon and every 15 minutes in the evening, the Bellagio fountains come to life with a choreographed performance set to music. From classical tunes to contemporary hits, there's always a new soundtrack to enjoy. It's like a symphony of water and light. Check out those water jets. The Bellagio fountains use a combination of high-powered water cannons, underwater lights, and music to create a dazzling display that's sure to leave you in awe. Feeling the magic? The Bellagio fountains are not just a show, they're an experience. And here's a fun trivia. The fountains use over 22 million gallons of water to create their stunning performances. Plus, right across the Bellagio fountains is the famous Eiffel Tower of Las Vegas Strip. So get ready to snap a picture with that as a background. Continuing south on Las Vegas Boulevard is the last stop of this walking tour, Arte Museum, where creativity knows no bounds. This museum is a treasure trove of modern and contemporary art, showcasing works from some of the most innovative artists of our time. It is also known for its immersive and interactive exhibits, making it a playground for art lovers and curious minds alike. First, check out their vibrant abstract painting. The colors, the shapes, the movement. It's like a visual symphony that's a puzzle for your imagination. The Arte Museum also features cutting-edge digital art exhibits that respond to your movements and touch. It's like stepping into a futuristic wonderland. So there you have it, the Arte Museum, where creativity, innovation, and imagination come together in perfect harmony. And that's it for today's virtual walking tour of the Neon City. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.